So the reason why I chose Reid State because I feel like it was gonna be a great opportunity to showcase my talent and what I wanted to do. The reason why I chose welding because I love to do it and I've been doing it for a whole year. So I might well kept doing it, keep going at it. And how it impacted my life, it really taught me a lot of things that I really didn't know about life.
The reason I chose Reid State was because it was an opportunity for me to learn more things about the majors that the school has offered. The reason I chose welding was because it has an impact in me about learning new things about welding materials.
I chose Reid State because it's local and it was a better opportunity for me. I chose welding because it was going to give me a better chance at life.
I chose Reid State because there's a lot of different majors here that you can take up. I chose welding because it was something I wanted to do in life, and how it affected my life is it just shows you can travel with it and a lot of different things in life.